Hello, good morning. This is your teacher. Uh, our topic is to perform fillet weld on carbon steel plates. Fillet welds or kind of fillet welds. So, how are you today? I hope you had a very fruitful study time at your home, and I hope you're ready to lesson out in our class. Okay? The following is our objectives for this lesson. We have identified the types of fillet weld, differentiate between a fillet weld that can be exposed to light and heavy load, and we'll include also the value practicing welding in our area. So before we go on, we consider first some of our local theme, local welding shop. Particularly, we have the industry. I took time to had that picture in Tabon Repair Shop, and we have here the facilities for oxyacetylene and SMAU procedures. And the first picture there is the finished product. This is a local welding and repair shop located at Barangay Macario, Merida, Leyte. And that welding shop, they will accept slight and medium repair for cars, motorcycles, that oftentimes involves welding, SMAU, or oxyacetylene procedures. Naan is Macario. Uh, Important that we can learn how to weld SMAU and oxyacetylene because this kind of skill is available and relevant to our local place. So may mga shops that in which we can be employed or practice welding. What learner should do? So learner will therefore identify with the communities about the skills to be acquired in school, specifically welding, simple fillet welds, and joint. So nani sa atong palibot na mga shops, no? Na mga trabahoon about oxyacetylene and about SMAU welding. Okay. So what do you do if you need a heavy duty load or heavy duty welds? So we have here. So the answer to that is you need a heavy duty fillet weld. So on the picture we can say the finished product. That's a career that can sustain heavy loads because it's being supported with different types of fillet welds. Okay, let's move on to the next process. Here we have three pictures, and I don't know if you can identify those pictures. So what you're going to do is you are going to identify the fillet welds and its given name. So the first one, second one, and the third one. So based on that, how many types a fillet weld has? Yes, of course, you have three. So describe the aids preparation of a fillet weld. So the first one, and the second one, and the third one. Okay, can you guess? Okay. Oh, so we have here the first one is the T-joint, and here the lock joint, the second one, and the third one is the corner joint. Okay. Okay, what is a fillet weld and kinds of joint? So the fillet weld is the most popular and commonly used weld in industry. It requires little or no aids preparation. Single fillet welds are fillet welds that have filler metal deposited on one side. So they are limited to smaller loads than double fillet welds. So the difference between double and single is just for smaller load, while double is for uh, more load in it. So double fillet welds are fillet welds that have fillet metal deposited on both sides to provide additional strength. It may be equal or unequal. One of the type of joint is the lap joint. It is used in all kinds of work, which may be single fillet lap joint or double fillet lap joint. So what's the difference now between single and double fillet lap joint? Single fillet lap joint is not as strong as double fillet lap joint. Single fillet is more used in ordinary works. So single fillet lap joint also should not be used if root of joint is to be subjected to bending. This type of joint should never replace the butt joint on works under severe load. Okay. The next one, the corner joint. So what is a corner joint? A corner joint is a weld joint formed when two members are positioned at approximate 90 degrees. 90 degrees. So you see 90 degrees right here. That's 90 degrees when two parts are joined together. So heavier plate can be welded if the load is not severe and there is no bending action at the root of the weld. So no edge preparation again is needed, and fit up is usually simple. So half open corner joint may be used on 12 gauge of up to 4.5 mm. Full open joint can be cut absolutely square, and suitable clamping and holding device are needed to facilitate fit up. So that is a corner joint. Okay, so we have here the last one. You can guess it is the T joint. So you have there, the first picture is there is no edge preparation. T joint is a welding joint at the junction of two parts located approximately at right angle to each other in the form of letter T. Okay, so in terms of welding, thicker metals at the edge to be joined should be beveled. So the thicker the metal, so you're going to put edge preparation. So there are many forms of beveling edges for T joints. So we have here the single bevel, we have the double bevel in the center, and the single G bevel on the right side, and the last one, the double G bevel. So you can apply that if the metal is thicker. Okay, so here comes again. We have the T joint, the lap joint, and the corner joint. Okay, so let's have a little bit of application here based on our local heritage team. The local industry, namely local welding shop, will be able to cater any welding jobs asked by the clients. So it's either they will use simple T-joint or single bevel or double bevel, or they will use the corner joint or the lap joint. So it depends on the demands of the job. Okay, so it's evaluation time. I hope you learned something. Let's see how far you learn. So are you ready? You can take extra paper and write the letter. So number one, these are fillet joint that has no edge preparation except blank. So, okay, number two, the fillet joint used for severed load is blank. Okay, number three, when two joint members are joined to form 90 degrees, it is a blank joint. So you have the choices there. Number four, a joint of two parts to form a right angle to each other is a, okay, A, corner, B, lap, C, T, D, double T. Okay, number five for letter A, what do you call when a fillet joint has a double weld in both sides? A, corner, B, lap, C, T, D, double T. Okay, are you done? For the letter B, how will you apply if you need a weld that can sustain a heavy load? How will you apply if you need a weld that can sustain a heavy load? You will cite an example. That's good for 10 points. So you have 15 points in all. Okay, let's check. Okay, so here comes now the answer key for number 1, letter D, number 2, letter D, number 3, letter A, and number 4, letter C, and number 5 is letter D. For the question of letter B, you can apply a double G or bevel joint to sustain a heavy load. So if you need a heavy load, so you can use double G or bevel joint. Okay, I hope you get a passing grade. And for our assignment, you take a photo of types of welds being applied in your local welding shop. You can visit a welding shop, or in your house if you have some metal frame or welding jobs that being done at parts of your house, or you have steel gate, you can take pictures, or a newly constructed building, you can take pictures in there too. Okay, I hope you learned something for today. I'm your teacher, Sir Espanto. I would say a skilled person will rise among others in Proverbs 22:29. That's Thank you and God bless.